Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope that you all would be good by bless of Lord Shiva. And today you know that very powerful day, very purest day because today is Mahasivaratri. So we thought that we are going to very famous temple in Bangalore, which is just situated very close to us. That is the temple name is Shiva Home. So me and my one of my friend that Saran bro, we are going to there. So I am just going to show every visual of our how we reach there and how was your journey. So everything I'm just going to show you. So till that time you just stay tuned with us so that you will get everything about our visual. So let's go. We took our bike from the garage, then after we leave for our the destination Shivamoga temple, and while we just playing that music.
The stillness, the clouds drift high, thoughts like breezes whisper by.
You can see that we are moving toward the Shivamoga temple. Due to sunlight was heavy, I had to wear the helmet and we already covered 5 kilometers from our PG. Only 4 kilometers is left to go. Now you can see the traffic is not heavy as usual day. It's our luck that we can reach first over the temple. And this is the RBL bank where the Saram bro is walking, guys. Then again we increase our bike speed so towards our destination so that we can first on temple. And as you can see that this temple is just situated on the main road, so the communications is very good to here. If you are come from from Bangalore, then you can come easily because the BMT's bus is available. And we took 45 minutes to reach here because we are coming by a bike, so it took 45 minutes. And you can see that how much crowd is there. And so let's go. When we reached, we saw that here is the long queue. It seems like that the line is continuing for the 1 kilometer. Devotees are standing. So we got literally shocked that how the people, devotees are so much curiosity to see Lord Bholenath Prabhu in this Mahasivaratri. So we stood in this line, and the good thing is that it was arranged by the management so people could stand in this shed. And anyhow we managed and we went to the temple. I brought worship things. Then finally after 1 hour of standing we became close to the temple. You can see, guys, that a huge Shivalinga in the entrance. Now the people are preparing to go enter to the temple. Now we are entering the temple, and as you can see it feels like a cave, and I was so much super excited because this was the first time walking through a cave. And inside different colorful light were fixed so everywhere, so it's giving the whole different vibe. So we clicked some photos and there was a long queue is ahead of us, you can see. And after waiting for nearly 40 minutes in this inside the cave, here is also some arrangement was done by the management so that people can sit. And we are thinking that when our time will come to go out and we'll see have darshan to Lord Ganeshji. The final the time came. Finally, guys, we came out of that cave and it felt like we had stepped into the heaven. After staying inside the cave for almost 40 minutes, we saw the huge idol of Lord Ganesh, beautiful, decorated with so many flowers. Now it was our turn to pour water on Shivalinga, and at that moment my heart was filled with so much devotion, and I prayed to Lord Shiva for my future and for well-being of my family. Just look at this massive idol of Lord Ganeshji. It feels as if Lord Ganesh himself is sitting right before us, and devotees are standing patiently in a queue to go closer to touch his feet and receive the blessing from Lord Ganeshji. Photography is not allowed here, and that security guard who was standing at that corner, you can see, guy, he was not letting us for to stay here for 10 seconds more than. It was not good actually because we have come a long way from two different places, like from Bangalore to see Lord Ganesh, but still they are not letting us to stay here for 10 seconds. Anyway, just having the darshan of the Lord Ganeshji is more than enough for us, and I feel so much happy and devotion after see Lord Ganesh. I had finally darshan of Lord Shiva. I was truly amazed to see such a massive idol. The entire surrounding felt like the Himalaya, and my heart was filling with so much devotion. And you can see the crowd. Almost 600 people have gathered here. Now guys, I finally reached on the Lord in front of Lord Shiva, and I worship to God and pray to God, and I just light up a agarbatti and I wish for me and my family while we feel so much devotion. See guys, just look at the how the peacefully Lord Shiva is sitting, and Ganga Mata is flowing from his head. The crescent moon is rest on his forehead, and he hold a huge damru in his hand, and a snake is wrapped around his hand. It feels like Lord Shiva himself is sitting right in front of us with water flowing behind the. It feels like that there is a small waterfall which is just behind of him, so that this is the management was decorated in this place for in the such way for this Mahasivaratri. Now you can see guys that water is pouring on Shivalinga because it's the time to take Aarti. So wherever the people was there, they stand straight over there itself and started to chant mantra, while the also devotional music also was playing in background. So people also started to chant mantra and also celebrated to the Aarti of. After visiting the temple, I feel very peaceful and calm. So this was our Mahasivaratri temple blog guys. I hope you felt peaceful and devotion of this day through this video. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channel. Har Har Mahadev. Om Namah Shivaya.